Hey guys, Vincent here. Welcome to the demo of FlowTraffic. This is a brand new software that allows you to be able to find content and post it to Facebook and drive traffic back to your website. The good thing about this is that being able to get traffic, it means more sales, it means more leads, it means more results from your website. Now, the big difference between people who are just starting out, the people who are well established, is usually the levels of traffic. If your conversions are the same, it is the traffic that makes the difference. So the more traffic you have, the better it is going to be for your business, and that is including getting leads, turning them into sales, all that sorts of stuff. Now, this software makes it easy to be able to find content and post it as your own over social media, but not just find any content. It helps you find some of the most hottest and relevant content as well. So I have been playing around with the software and it looks very, very cool, and it is very fun to use. So far, the editor has been great. The finding the content is being great. However, I am having a few issues connecting up my Facebook with my demo account, and I think it is something to do with my Facebook into things as well. So, what I am going to do is, I am going to put on a demo video from the FlowTraffic guys themselves. They will show you through the software, and I will show you how it works from start to finish, in a step-by-step fashion, so, hope you enjoy this.
Hey there, now I want to ask you a question. How would you like to automate traffic and get results like these? By using FlowTraffic, we have been able to consistently get 1,000 clicks per day. And we have been able to, within hours, generate over $641 on complete autopilot. And this is just 2 campaigns. Just imagine what you can do with more. With FlowTraffic, it is easy to get results like these. So let me show you exactly how you can do that. First of all, we need to add a website within FlowTraffic to where you will drive traffic. This can be a WordPress blog, a Shopify store, or just enter your blog ID. In this case, because I want to drive traffic to a WordPress website, that's what I will choose. Once the site has been added to FlowTraffic, we can then do a quick search inside and find the most viral images that you can use for your own campaigns. Just type in a keyword, select either a Facebook page search, Facebook group search, or Instagram search. Then you can sort it by comments, likes, or shares with a click of your mouse. This will help you pick the best images. Once you've found a trending image that you know your audience will love, you can bookmark it for future campaigns. With the built-in image editor, you will be able to select the image you want to use for your campaign. You can then add text, or you can also use any of the thousands of preloaded codes that we give you. Just type in a keyword, click on copy, go to the text section, place the text there, and it will be added to the image. Once you are done, you can either click on save or click on download if you want to copy the saved image on your local hard drive for future use. Since we're done with the image, we can now create our campaign. From the menu on the dashboard, just click on New Campaign, select the image that you want to use. The new one should be at the bottom. There we go. And now we can proceed. From here, select the domain or the website you want to push traffic to. We then get to see all the content from that website and select the content that you think will work best for your campaign. Just scroll down to the bottom and click on Next. It will automatically get the message, title, and description. You can modify this. You can add tags, or you can add your own retargeting codes. Every single click you generate will be added to your perfect audience, ad role, or Facebook pixel retargeting code, which is really handy. Then just click on save and we are done. Now we can share this on Facebook, on our timeline, on our group, or a page we manage. Aside from Facebook, we can also share this on Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and even Google+. Driving traffic to a blog or Shopify store has never been easier. FlowTraffic makes this all possible. Now you can push traffic to any website without having to rely on ads ever again. If you have been looking for a way to pull traffic from social media, including Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn and Google+, get access to FlowTraffic today.